Guys, you want to come? You want to ride our bus?
Yeah?
Come on, guys.
I'll take you to the bus, eh?
The bus stop is just right here.
Right the corner.
But guys,
Follow me, you say.
for me, I guess.
That is the bus stop. So we wait here for the bus to arrive. What time?
We went to the beach and then we have go and then you bring your McDonald's bag and you have great idea we planned to go.
Yeah?
So I was so happy.
Yeah?
Here.
Don't go there because it's dangerous. I don't know. 15, 18.
What I just quit. Look.
Tapos
This
na. So,
one is
darating na 15:39. Oh, malapit na. Ano na lang, konti na lang.
You see all that rocks I just put the church on? Guys, next. Now you have to wait for.
Oi, Drew, please get in here.
What do you call this bus?
Bus 21, number 21.
Let's wait. Don't go off, guys.
Yeah.
That quickie noise.
What is that quickie noise?
That from rocks in my pocket.
Really? Do it again then. Oh.
You say that?
Oi, Drew, not to that here. Eh? Come on. Let's post this one first, yeah?
Which one?
This video.
To our channel.
Sorry?
Subscribe our channel.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
And?
And watch more of our video.
Oh, Drew, you're so sweet. So we stay here.
Mommy,
Cause oh look, the one bird is limping. That is limping, Drew. No, don't. After, leave them alone.
Why?
Because if you follow them, they're gonna get scared.
Why? It's just us.
Yeah, but still, that's how they feel, Drew. They will fly.
Guys,
Come on. Guys, say, this is what we have today, guys. So he got this squishy frog. Oh my god, a purple one.
Yeah,
and the other stuffing is actually coming off. And that is really funny.
How wait, guys? It's coming from here.
Yeah, let me show you guys. It's a bit...
Boom.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
Let's buy nut. Whoa. What?
So that is expensive, guys. This is how much this, Drew?
$100.
No.
Let's see how much we got stretch it, guys. Yeah.
Don't stretch. Oh
my gosh.
Huh?
What is that?
I'm sorry. No. Oh, look.
I do this.
No.
That just ruined it.
You ruined it, not me.
Ruined it.
You just ruined the 2 pounds, Drew.
Wasting of money,
you stupid.
Hi! Don't say that in front of this one. Don't say this in front of this telly. We don't say that. The whole world's gonna be watching you.
Ow. Guys, I just hurt myself.
Say sorry. So what did you say?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, say
Sorry guys.
sorry guys. What are we gonna do?
We just ruined my toy.
We don't want to say that again, and please don't copy that at home, guys. Please, yeah.
Because that's really not funny.
Yeah, it's not funny. It's not good.
We don't show you guys. We don't show you. Guys, wait.
Wait, where are you going? Are you gonna put it in the bin?
Yeah. Guys, I don't show you. We can't show you. It's Play-Doh thing. We don't.
Got more in his bag.
We'll show you.
Now be careful.
What is it?
Chan, kuhanin mo nga yung ano niya, Chan. Chan, kuhanin mo yung ano niya.
Ano?
Yung Play-Doh.
I'll show you guys.
Naiwan.
Wait.
Wala dito, naiwan niya ito doon.
Natin mo.
Wala nga.
Okay. That one. Careful.
You see, guys? You
Yeah.
see this,
Chan,
guys?
Chan.
Look, guys. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Are you gonna show them how to play with that later on when we get home?
Yeah.
Show to them how much you bought it.
$5, 100 cents.
True. We are not using dollars here. We're using pounds.
Oh.
Okay? We're using pounds. True.
Cause you have to bank tomorrow. I will pay me some money cause I want to help you pay food.
Yeah, true. Sing. Tomorrow, I love you. I always said that. No, come on.
Look my
Show.
new hair.
Yeah, show to them. Show to them you can sing. Tomorrow, I love you.
Love you.
Tomorrow,
I love you.
do it. Tomorrow, I love you.
Tomorrow, I love you.
Always a day.
Always cry.
Away.
Always.
Stay here. Taking video. No, stay here. No, stay here. No, come here.
Guys, look. I want to buy this.
We are using pounds, not dollars, yeah?
I don't say pounds. It's just dollars. Dollars. I have one like that.
You want to have one like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Red one.
Red one. You want the red one?
Subscribe our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe our channels.
Subscribe our channel.
Yeah?
What she like video, click on fun, and we will click you to our next video. Bye.
Oh, you're gorgeous, Drew. Show them a big smile then. Say mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
No, you have to tell them that in the camera. Say, look at them and say
Mabuhay.
No, say mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
No, listen to me. Say
Mabuhay.
Hi.
Hi. We go home.
Mabuhay Pilipinas.
We home.
Say mabuhay Pilipinas.
Guys, you have look. This is too heavy for me.
Yeah. All right, Drew, stay here. Drew, people is really not good. This one. Come on. Come on.
It's a box.
Dali, umano ka.
I got money, guys.
Kunin mo yung ano mo. Ticket mo. Yan ka kay Drew.
Guys, come on. We got bus ride.
Oh, thanks God.
Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Look, guys. This would look like. I want to go on top, guys.
Oh, okay. There's a cup. Oh, yeah, there. Thank you. Chan, hold on. Hold on ng bata. Oh, we're going up. God.
Hello guys.
Oh my God, there's no one here.
Guys, you have
Where is there? Part2 bus.
guys, sit on right here next to me.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, careful. Hold on to this now. Oh, thank God we got a bus.
Whoa.
So that's how we are, guys. We'll show you. It's like we are the driver here, no?
Yeah. Oh, Mommy. My nail is stood on this.
Really?
Yeah, because it's really sharp, actually. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I'm doing it. Whoa.
Chan, hawakan mo to, Chan.
What? Mommy!
Quick.
Mommy, that Play-Doh in plastic.
Is it? Show me.
Yeah, look. You see that?
Yeah, that's why we need to open that when we get home, yeah?
Wow.
This is not gonna be
This
nice.
is really cool. Oh, wait.
Oh, we stuck
Oh,
with it.
guys.
Beautiful here, guys, in England. My God.
Yeah.
If only you are here, guys. It's beautiful here. It's nice
I
and
bring you
clean.
up here, guys.
Yeah.
Look what happened to boss day. Look.
Yeah.
Someone did that.
It's beautiful. This is how your neighborhood
Mommy,
is.
look. Mommy.
Yeah, 1 second. Rubbish. Channel. Double decker ang bus dito, guys, ya. Itong nasakyan namin yan, double decker. Kami lang nasa taas. Medyo delayed yung bus ng 20 minutes, my God. Kasi nga labasan ng mga estudyante ngayon. Pwede may high school din dito Chan banda. Malapit-lapit kaysa dun sa Danes. Pero maganda kasi yung Danes daw eh. Na school.
Guys.
Wow.
I wish I bought that house.
Yeah, when you got money, yeah?
Yeah. When I work at school.
Yeah.
And my school is
There's
little.
another bus, which is 21.
And that is double decker too.
Yeah, well done, Drew. See, Drew is really clever. That bus
Mommy,
is
look,
double decker too.
But look, Theo's house.
Is it?
Yeah. Don't have any upstairs for sleeping. So
Yeah.
that's interesting.
Yeah. Is that interesting, yeah?
Yeah. Really interesting. Also I have watch.
Sorry?
Also I have watch.
Garage.
No shed.
No shed. Ah, it's not a garage, then it's a shed.
Which shed?
Right, alright.
So that's gas station, guys.
Yeah, that was a gas station.
Guys, Mommy,
Yeah.
I fell that down that little
Oh,
is
that
mine.
thing.
No, that was in here.
That's why I told you to keep them away. We opened that in the
Ilang buwan na yung school dito ah?
Ha?
Ilang buwan na?
Sobrang napakagaang ng school dito. Laging mayroong holiday.
Ilang buwan na
Basta every 2 months, every 3 months, depende. Tapos holiday na naman. Hindi katulad sa atin tuloy-tuloy. Dito, tingnan mo si Drew, laging may holiday. Tapos pag college ka na, ano tawag nito, pag nag-college ka, parang pwede kang pumasok 2 beses o 3 beses sa isang linggo lang. Pili ka kung gusto mo. Ganun lang.
I want to show you a Play-Doh.
No, later.
It's really special. It's green.
Say green.
Yeah. Like this bag, guys. It smells good.
Is it?
It smells like green apples.
Is it?
Yeah. Toys inside that Play-Doh. They're going to be so cool.
Yeah. Right.
This is a home.
Later on, Drew.
You remember this place, guys? We was looking for my brother's school.
No, not here.
Appointment.
Yesterday we had an appointment for your brother's school, yes. Not now though. This is a bank appointment this time. Yesterday was school appointment. Pagod pa ako, oh my God. My
special walks at the beach.
Yeah.
I put this up home. I need walks. I need five night ultra ones because and big ones. Like especially like these.
Yeah.
Because you can draw them, they hard walk like that. It's dangerous. I picked them. No one can pick it up because it's really sharp. Only kids, guys. But it's really
Be careful, say be careful when you go and get some because it's sharp. Ask your parents to help you. Right?
And you saw crab, you have eat it, but when you cut you cook it, you eat it, then you cook it, you can't eat it. Like scorpion.
Scorpion too.
Yeah. Only parents.
Yeah, needs to be a guidance of a parent, yeah?
You ask your parents cook that for you, and when you saw them, and like
Look, it's a horse there.
where?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is a horse thing over here.
guys,
It says horse.
you remember like 3 weeks we was going on trip Wednesday.
Right, let's show them the mga caravan guys.
See it? They're pigs.
Do you know this was as far as it went? I thought it went in.
They're horses and they're other horses. The horse just escaped.
No, they did not.
Oh.
That's their place.
And that was those horse place.
Yeah. Come on, let's show to them the McDonald's. This is a branch. Ka-branch to ng McDonald's ko, guys. Yung owner nito at owner ng McDonald's namin is the same.
Parang madaming McDonald's. Halos lahat ng McDonald's.
Oo. Alam mo, sobrang mayaman na yun.
Yeah, my mom
Nangyari
worked
yun.
there.
Yeah, I work there.
He's sick for week, guys.
You alright?
Are you sick for week, guys?
Yeah, sit properly, yes.
You see that little circle things? That's
You
what
know
my-
you're gonna be a model to
Mommy,
a...
when you see that, guys, you see that circle things?
Yeah, that is a roundabout.
No, that's not right about. It's the flat two pieces things
Alright.
that coming from my eyes.
Oh.
That not come from playground.
Mm.
When I'm looking at things, something happens like that.
Yeah. Look at this boy. He's playing in the middle of the road. See, that is a very naughty boy. That is.
You know where he walking.
Yeah, you know, once he hit by a bus or by any kind of car, that's it. He's finished.
But we driving this way.
Yeah.
So that way don't get hurt.
Yeah.
No, guys, you see that? That's straight line. In case you feel that or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you a tour guide now?
Yes.
This is picnic spaces here.
Yeah. And also have
During
river.
summertime, yeah, there's a river there too. During summertime, guys, we used to go there to go for a picnic, and it's really
And
beautiful.
then other river, like they're big river, guys.
Yeah, good. You
Yeah,
can
we-
actually go fishing in that lake there. Yeah.
Guys, I think when that side said point that way at two sides.
Really?
Yeah. It's straight lines. This side is narrow, guys.
Yeah.
Go straight.
This is a roundabout, too. This is a big roundabout.
It's circle roundabout.
Yeah.
And then switch roundabout now.
Yeah, there's a police car over there.
I have 3 windows, guys.
Yeah. How many?
Just one.
Police car?
I have little ones is really cool. But also one, I got black one and that gray one.
Yeah.
Oh look, that's so cool, guys.
Yeah.
For my eyes.
Yeah.
How that happened in my eyes, Mom?
I don't know, too.
How
Ito ko
that
lagi napunta may babag ako.
going keep catching up to my eyes. It's train station, guys.
Yeah.
I'm holding my rock so to not fall down in a bus. And then I'm going to lost him. Then I have to go back to seaside. But
We are in a
till
train
then,
station, guys.
what?
We are in a train station now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember we was here. Look, guys. You like it? Why are you doing it to our friends? Mommy, why are you doing it to Grandma?
What grandma?
That Grandma.
Ah, the camera, you mean, not grandma.
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you doing with it?
I'm taking a video, vibes.
Oh, I thought you taking a picture of that plane.
I did take a picture once.
Guys, I found this. Guys, I showed this to you like next time. Oh, you never. No. So I'm gonna take this off. Gonna stick on there. Let me see this question.
Alright, this is a train station we have, guys.
Let me see it. This what wet me too.
It's
No, this what not wet me now. Mommy, I was at some wet urchin.
yeah,
And that was so cool.
yeah.
And don't step on sea urchin. That is really sharp. It might hurt you.
Yeah. Oh.
We was here. Remember, guys, we was here like last time.
Yeah. This is a pub.
That's not nice. So
This is cementerio, guys.
look,
Today church. Oh, an ambulance. That was an ambulance, guys. That's another bus.
Which one?
This one, that's another bus. Is that
That
double
little
decker?
one.
Yeah, that's a little one.
What?
That's a little one.
And that little one and other one I saw is I think is a bus.
There is another bus here.
And the beautiful tree.
Wait, be careful.
Whoa, I
Oh my
just
God.
jumped off.
My goodness. Are you okay?
Yeah, that was really big.
Be careful, no?
I was jumping off like
No, you have to sit up properly. Sit down properly.
I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Sure, home soon. Right?
We're almost home, guys.
Yeah.
Let me show you this window. I'm so excited. You want to smell it, guys?
No, they can't smell it. Well, how does it smell?
You smell it, Mom? What does it smell?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Smell like plastic.
That's it. Plastic.
We home, guys.
No, not yet. Quiet.
No,
This is Drew school before.
This is
First
my
class.
old. This is my
Daycare.
This is not called old school and poo school.
Sorry?
My teacher said poo all the time.
Sorry?
Poo bears. That is,
Pooh Bears. Do you
yeah,
have Pooh
that
Bears?
poo bears cool.
Yeah.
That likes my old school. And
Yeah.
I didn't know it, so we went to cool one called preschool.
Yeah, Richmond.
Richmond preschool. I will show you guys.
Yeah.
And we go next to our house. So guys, the shop we just went. Remember that, guys?
Sorry?
You remember that shop we go in there?
Yeah.
Guys.
Jaja, don't forget to press the button na. Press the button. Oh, traffic, guys.
Press add button.
Ay, kumain ba?
We have to get down, guys.
Guys, quick! Look, my school, guys.
Yeah, this is new school.
That's my new
That's our
school now.
Come
Whoa,
on, we have to get down.
whoa! I already get up.
Right, let's go.
I already get up.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, careful.
Oh,
Chan-chan yung bata na. Wait, guys. Wait, guys.
wait!
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Oh, thank God we're home.
Guys,
So tired.
this is our home.
Yeah.
It's upstairs. We will show you how we play Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Come on. That is natural over there. You don't want to touch that.
No, we don't want to touch that.
Oh, you touch it really gentle. It's not going next.
Not even gentle, Drew.
What?
You will be electrocuted. If you touch that.
Yeah.
Yeah? God, it's so cold. Oh, yeah, so we're home, guys. I'm glad. Because I'm so tired. Really, really tired now. Whew. Right. Right, go.
Hey, Ben.
Huh?
What's that? Wow.
Guys, Play-Doh.
Just keep going now, guys. Okay, I'm
Guys.
looking for my keys.
Going. And my mom have
Ben,
keys.
tell your friends we are in our house.
This is our house.
Our house. We got keys, guys.
Ben, tell your friends.
I just tell it.
Look.
Enough now. Come on now. No fighting in front of the camera, yeah? It's not good.
I must see.
Right, let's go. In. Quick.
Guys, I don't.
Let's go. Bye, guys. So, right. Dito muna kami, guys. See you later. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel,